Okay, we're here at the Atlantium booth. I've got Tony Chiarello and Marc Scanlon. Atlantium's been in the industry for 20 years. However, at the booth, I feel like we've got more than 20 years experience. So how long have you been in the industry, Marc?
33 years.
Nice. How about you, Tony?
46 years.
So you hear that? So we got the right people if you're wondering about UV water technology here today. So first question for you, Tony. Atlantium has been in the UV water treatment space for over 2 decades. But what makes this industry so distinct and demanding?
Right. Well, Atlantium's been in operation now for 20 years, with over 5,500 facilities using it across the bottled water, beverage, and basically anyone using water in their production. Water is an ingredient, not a utility. So the water that comes in, whether it's from the municipality or whether it comes from the well, is not sterile. Okay, so what we deliver the customer is 100% assurance that they're going to get protection against a 4-log reduction of adenoviruses and a 6-log reduction of common microbial contaminants.
Very good.
And we do that. The way that we're able to do that affordably is we're the only company that is able to get reflective energy from the UV light. So we have more than just the incident kill. We get a 5x multiplier because our systems align with quartz that gives you total internal reflection, what we call HOD. So 1 lamp will do what 5 lamps of the conventional do, and that's why there's an Atlantium.
Gotcha. So one of the perks of dealing with Atlantium is that you guys have global experience. You see things all over the world. Are there any specific challenges that you would say that North American beverage producers face versus, maybe somebody overseas?
Right. A lot of beverage producers use municipal sources or they use their own wells. Either way, one of the issues with using municipal water is a lot of municipal systems have adenovirus that's in their water. And if you don't use any kind of supplementary protection, using that water without supplementary treatment like our HOD UV, our high hydrooptic disinfection UV, that can become problematic. So what we're able to do is most municipalities are only in compliance with that drinking water regulation 95% of the time, not 100% of the time. So the issue becomes risk management and brand protection. And by using our equipment on their incoming makeup water line, we're able to offer them a firewall against any kind of issues with the municipal water. What it comes down to is risk management and brand protection. That's what we're doing in North America.
Got it. And from what you've seen across the industry as far as biosecurity goes, would you say that people are doing it the right way, or do you think there's room for improvement?
There's always room for improvement because the water you're getting from the city or even from your well is not sterile. But your responsibility is you have to deliver a contamination-free product, just like you would if you were a municipality. So whether it's a dairy or whether it's a beverage, it has to be compliant with EPA regulations for that water. And you want to do it economically too. You can't overdose water with UV, so you can have ample energy, and you'll be able to go with Atlanta and be able to do it in an affordable fashion.
Nice. Okay, and so I've heard that Atlantium is seeing a real success with simple syrup treatment. Tell me more about that.
Well, a lot of beverage producers obviously use syrup in their products, and what happens is this syrup is a growth medium. It grows bugs by a great amount. And so microbial control of that sugar syrup solution is paramount for these beverage producers because it's an ingredient that's used in a lot of beverage products. Unfortunately, if they don't adopt a comprehensive approach, it causes spoilage and shelf life issues. By using our new type of reactor for sugar syrup treatment, we're able to keep that under control. Sugar syrup is a product that is different, but better in terms of how our reactor is configured.
So, are there any new products or technologies that you guys have developed recently that you think that would be pertinent to the beverage industry?
I'm glad you asked. We have a product called the RZM 200, which is our sugar treatment reactor configuration. It has received third-party validation by a major beverage manufacturer in Europe and in Asia. Also, that validation will apply to the US. And because sugar syrup is not necessarily monitored very closely, by having our unit treat the sugar, they can be assured of excellent quality assurance. All right.
Nice. And then, did you want to hit there?
Okay. Yeah, simple syrup is one of the most unprotected areas in a beverage plant, and the technology is proven, and it's a natural extension of what we've been doing on the water side. So now we're looking at using this technology and adapting it to sugar syrup treatment.
So, have you seen any conventional usages for UV water that has had contaminants in it?
Yeah, there are a lot of situations where, for economic reasons, somebody will go with the minimum dosage, and everything will be fine until, for the municipality, hits them with a real microbial challenge. When they do that, then my phone rings, because you need adequate dose, and the only way to affordably deliver that adequate dose is using that 5x multiplier and giving them a greater than 120 millijoule dose, which is what you need for the viruses. And if they're having to deal with Aspergillus niger, to be able to affordably deliver 420, which is what's needed to inactivate black mold.